Social media has changed the way we live and the way businesses reach out to people. If you are any small business and you want to leverage the use of social media, I want you to stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 strategies for social media marketing to get the best out of any platform that you choose. Coming up. Since 2004, social media has been growing exponentially and it hasn't reached its peak of popularity yet. The current statistics show that about 2.78 billion active users are on social media. And it is estimated that the 2.78 billion people spend close to 2.5 hours per day on social media, which means that in the next couple of years, one of the best places to target as a small business is on social media platforms. 3 major strategies that can help you to reach out to prospective customers are: 1, find out who your customers are and where they hang out. There are so many social media platforms: LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all the other platforms. Each of these platforms has its unique users based on how things operate on that platform. Being able to identify what type of business you have, the kind of prospective customers you need for your business, and where they hang out is going to be one of the greatest ways to become successful marketing on social media. If your business is a B2B, then one of the places you have to be is on LinkedIn. And if your business is primarily B2C, then the places you have to be are on Instagram and on Facebook as well as YouTube. YouTube is favorable for both B2B and B2C businesses. Strategy number 2, when you have been able to identify who your ideal customers are and which platform they hang out on, it is time to place your business and your idea before the people. The first thing you need to do is to offer value. Find out something that you can offer, something you can teach, something you can show, a particular information you can offer on any of the platforms you identify, which will be beneficial to your prospective customers, which will keep them coming consistently to the page or your platform to learn. Once you are able to successfully offer value to these prospective clients, it will keep them glued and engaged on your page. Strategy number 3, after you've been able to identify who your clients or your customers are and where they hang out, and then you start offering value to them, the most important thing now is to find a way to sell your idea, to sell your product, or sell your services to them. One of the key things to take as a complete beginner is to try to focus on one particular platform at a time. Now, if Instagram works best for your business or your product, focus on Instagram. If Facebook is what will work for you, focus on Facebook. If YouTube will work, focus on YouTube. If LinkedIn will work, focus on LinkedIn. One of the things you should never do is to try to work on so many platforms at the same time. You will be at your efficient and most effective level if you try to focus on one platform at a time. There are things to consider when you are focusing on a particular platform. Learn how the platform works. Learn how you can leverage how the platform works to your business advantage. This would increase visibility for your business. The number 1 goal of you placing your business or yourself on social media should be to get value out of it. If it is not valuable, then there is no need, which is why you need to make every effort to sell your product, sell your business, sell your ideas, sell your services to people who visit your platform or your page. And these are my top 3 strategies for social media marketing in any area of business. If you've had a lot of value from this particular video, I want you to smash the like button and encourage us to bring in more content which will be valuable to you. Thank you very much for staying tuned.